chemical reactions and equations.
Yes.
Okay. So now let us begin. Yeah. My screen visible? Is my screen visible, Pa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Yeah. So as I told, we discussed with the chemical reactions and equations. Correct?
Yes.
Chapter number 1.
Yes.
So what's the chemical reaction here? So here, first we discuss about reaction, then come to chemical. Okay?
Yes.
We go reaction. So reaction is about anything which happens. Correct?
No. Yes.
For example, let us take chemical reaction, nothing but rusting of iron.
Yes.
Rusting of iron. So this also called as technically or in terms of science, okay, we call is corrosion.
Yes.
Yeah. So what happens here? The rusting of iron. Suppose you have a bicycle. You kept a bicycle okay, outside your house for 1 year. Then what
Yes.
happens? What happens?
Mm, Rust.
It's
Iron.
going to rust, right? It's going to rust it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the rusting of nothing but what happens? It loses its property.
Yes.
Yes. So by corrosion, by rusting, what happens? It loses its property, right?
Yes.
So in terms of okay, many things. So we can express this rusting in a form of equations. In the form of equations.
Yes.
That's called chemical. So what chemical? So there is the involvement of chemical in rusting. There is a chemical environment. What chemical environment? So there is a different environment of moisture, correct?
Yes.
And plus moisture plus the nature of iron. Iron we denote as Fe.
Yes.
Yeah, see, for example, I call Rushabh. Rushabh, okay, Mantesh Bendigeri. So when you go to signature, what do you do? You do entire name.
Yes.
No, right? You have short, right? You have your own identity. How can identify? I can. How can I identify Rushabh means by signature.
Yes.
So your signature has to turn into autograph, right? That's a success.
Yes.
In okay, for example, if you have checkbook, for every checkbook we have a unique signature, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Similarly, for every component, for every atom, for every okay element, we have an unique ID. Just like human, we have a unique signature. Similarly, we have a unique okay ID. That's called iron. We can denote as Fe.
Yes.
So iron, which reacts with the moisture plus oxygen in the air.
Yes.
So this all together, what happens? Which makes rusting.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
So this entire rusting we can express in terms of equation. That is, for example, Fe plus O2, it form into right iron, which combines with the oxygen to form FeO.
Yes.
Correct? So iron oxide. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes.
So this is a things we discuss in this chapter.
Yes.
Expressing okay right a chemical reaction, nothing but changes in which one or more new substances are formed. See here, I have only iron here. I have oxygen, correct?
Yes.
Iron, oxygen, reaction, they combine to form iron oxide, right? Ferrous oxide. Ferrous oxide, correct?
Yes.
So they are combined, they form a new element. So to expressing the chemical reaction in an equation format, right?
Yes.
It's called chemical reactions. And one thing, we have to balance this chemical reaction. We have to balance the chemical reaction. Chemical reaction balance. Okay, on which law we going to balance? The question is on which law? Do you have any idea?
What, sir?
On which chemical, on which law the chemical reactions are balanced, chemical equations are balanced?
Law of conservation.
Yeah, law of, please, very good.
Law of conservation of mass.
Law of, yeah, please.
Conservation of mass.
Conservation of,
Mass.
very good. Law of conservation of mass. That means mass neither be created nor be destroyed. We can transfer the mass from one form to other form. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now question is, can we create mass? Will you please answer for this question? Can we create mass? Yes or no? One word answer.
Don't know.
Don't know. Very good. So I got third option. Good. So one thing, can we create mass? No, we can't create any mass.
Yes.
We can only transfer. We can only from transfer from one form to other form. For example, you can see, you can take, you can say, so I can use agarbatti. Yeah. What happens? The agarbatti, when I incense sticks, it's called incense sticks. When I take incense stick, when I burn it, what happens? The is going to, the length of the incense stick reduces or increases.
What, sir?
If it, sorry, if you take agarbatti, udin kaddi ನೋಡಿದ್ದಿ, udin kaddi,
Yes.
udin kaddi ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಚ್ಚಿಸಪ್ಪ, ಅದು ಉದ್ದ ಏನಾಗತ್ತ, ಗಿಡ್ಡ ಆಗತ್ತಾ, ಉದ್ದ ಆಗತ್ತಾ?
ಗಿಡ್ಡ.
ಗಿಡ್ಡ ಆಗತ್ತ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉದ್ದದ ಮೆಟಲ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಟಲ್ ಹೋಯ್ತಿಲ್ಲ,
Yes.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು? That means it is converted into ash, which fall nearest bottom. At the same time, some amount of mass is exhausted in the form of smoke.
Yeah.
Correct? So here also, the incense stick is not, okay, or all the mass is not destroyed. Some amount of mass will be fall as a ash, remaining is taken away by the smoke. Correct?
Yes.
So we can't create any mass, we can transfer. I'm simply saying we can transfer one form of mass into other form. And based on this conservation of mass law, we are doing chemical balance. We are doing balancing of chemical reactions. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. And one thing, we are using a word called chemical reaction, not action. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now we'll go with the next. You till now any doubt, Rishabh?
No.
Sure. Sure, no doubt.
Yes.
Yeah. So now we'll go with the next concept. Now I'll classify the chemical reaction. Let us classify chemical reaction. Okay, chemical reaction. So can you go for this one? Chemical reaction.
Yes.
Yeah. Type of chemical reaction. I'll go type. First is this way. It just is a mind map. What I'm showing here is a mind map. You should remember throughout your life. First, I'll take here exothermic. What exothermic meaning? So I'm just going a different type of chemical reaction. First one, endothermic and exothermic. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now I'll go. Whenever you got a word called thermic, whenever you got a word called thermic, that means heat. That is endothermic means absorbs heat. Endothermic means absorb heat. Exothermic means releases,
Yes.
release heat. Okay, got ba?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll repeat here. Endothermic means absorbs heat. For example, you can take mist formation. You know mist formation? Mist, mist, where okay, heat is absorbed. Heat is absorbed. For example, Rishabh, here, I can take example of exothermic means, yeah. Whenever you got fever, what you will do? Keep a right a cold, okay, a cold cloth on your forehead, right? Are you following, pa?
Yes.
Yeah. So what are repeating? Whenever, yeah, one second, yeah. Whenever we got a fever, okay, we'll keep a cold cloth on our forehead, correct? Am I right? ನೀನ್ ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದಾಗ ತಣ್ಣನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ,
Yes.
ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರ? ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? ಸುರೇಶ್ ಯಾಕ ಜ್ವರ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ?
Yes.
So to reduce the temperature,
Yes.
so what happens? The moisture, the water contained in the cloth which will be evaporated. I mean, the cloth going to absorb the heat. Am I right? Plus, at the same time, exothermic. Exothermic nothing but which going to release the heat. For example, burning of wood. Burning up wood.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Burning wood. So these equations. Next, this is one of the chemical reaction. This is one of the chemical reaction. Next, we'll go redox. Redox
Yes.
reaction. What redox remember? Here we get two things here. First one, oxidation. Second one, reduction.
Yes.
Okay, I'll give example here. For oxidation, suppose if carbon is combined with the oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now tell me, this is oxidation or reduction?
Mm.
It is oxidation.
Yes.
Why? Why? Because oxygen is added, right? Combined.
Yes.
So now we'll go
Yes.
reduction. 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 I'll take carbon dioxide is reduced into carbon monoxide plus oxygen. Don't bother about balancing. I'll explain balancing later.
Yes.
Yeah. So what happens here? The carbon dioxide is reduced into carbon monoxide plus oxygen.
Yes.
Yeah, this is called reduction. This is for oxidation. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So any doubt in these two?
No.
Very good. So now I'll go next one. Next. Next we'll go corrosion. Corrosion also chemical reaction, right? Rishabh?
Yes. Yes.
What happens in corrosion? In corrosion, eating. What when it's going to eat? Eating
Yes.
away of metal.
Yes.
ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಟ 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 ತಿಂದಿರ್ತು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ corrosion ಅಂದ್ರೆ let's take a nail. What happens when you kept
Yes.
for some particular period outside, it becomes right, all the metal will be removed.
Yes.
ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮುರ್ದ
Yes.
yeah. So corrosion nothing but is one of the chemical reaction. When corrosion what happens? Eating away the metal.
Yes.
Okay, next we'll go very important here, rancidity. ಅಂದ್ರೆ oxidation of fats and oils. ನೀವ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ ಮನೆಗ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಐತಿ,
Yes.
ಕೊಬ್ಬರಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆ, coconut oil and one more okay cooking oil, correct?
Yes.
If you open the coconut bottle, okay, without closing the lid, we just open it for keep it outside for a one week. What happens?
Yes.
ಒಂಥರ ಕಮೋಟ್ ವಾಸನೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಒಂಥರ ವಾಸನೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಕಮೋಟ್ ವಾಸನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಮೋಟ್ ಏನ್ ತರ ಅದನ್ನ? A bad smell will get whenever the coconut bottle is opened and kept okay open to atmosphere for 1
Yes.
week. What happens?
Yes.
The coconut oil going to react with the oxygen, becomes oxidation, then it
Yes.
releases a very bad smell.
Yes.
That is called rancidity. It's one of the chemical reaction.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
no doubt in this, no doubt.
No.
Okay, next we'll go decomposition. Next one called decomposition. That means single component decomposes to one or more new substances. For example, I'll show here. Let us take okay component A, which is decompose into B plus C, B and C, correct?
Yes.
Decomposition. I'll give example. For example, if a dead body, right? A dead body better will get panic. Let's take a tomato. Tomato ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ? Rishabh?
What, sir?
Tomato.
Yes.
What's the color of tomato? Green?
Red.
Red, right? So that red tomato, if you keep in bag, in college, in school bag, you take it for 1 week.
Yes.
Then what happens? Decompose ಆಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ?
Yes.
Right, it goes start decomposing. That means decomposing, the tomato going to decompose, I mean they react with atmospheric air and they releases different okay, gases, right?
Yes.
That is called decomposition. I mean a single
Yes.
tomato once got decomposed, it releases different gases, new substances.
Yes.
It's called decomposition.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Shall we go for next one?
Yes.
Yeah. Next one, combination. One of the reaction called combination.
Yes.
That means two or more substance, two or more substance to give a single product. Combination. That is, I'll take A plus B. They combine to give C. Correct? Sorry. Two space the paita. Rishabh,
Yes.
are you following or not?
Yes.
Yeah. Combination with combined. One, two or more substances they combine to form a single product. Correct? Can you give example?
Yeah.
Can you give example for combination reaction?
Mm. Mm.
Example will give for combination, not only chemical in the form, any other form. I want example for combination. Can I get the example, please?
Yes.
Yeah, please. Any example you can give. Any example. Best combination.
Mm.
For example, I'll take
Mm.
sugar and tea powder. This best combination of tea. Correct?
Yes.
It is sugar and tea powder. We'll get best combination, right? This is called tea.
Yes.
This is also chemical combination, right? These are combination, right?
Yes.
So no need of too much thinking. Just combination. For example, if you wear a better shirt, for example, sky blue shirt with a dark pant, it's a combination.
Yes. Yes.
So this is simple combination I told. Similarly, we use different combination here. Okay.
Yes.
So next I'll go. Next I'll go with the next one. Next reaction is called displacement.
Yes.
What displacement? What happens here? In displacement, more reactive, more reactive element displaces less reactive element.
Yes.
That is, I'll take example here. For example, let us take here A plus BC. I'll take AC plus B. Correct? Just replacement. Just displacement. That means more reactive element which going to replace with a less reactive element. Rishabh are getting.
Yes.
So here displacement. I mean the element going to displace.
Mm.
So last one will go. Last one I'll go. Double displacement. I'm not yet entering into chemical reaction. I'm just giving a brief introduction.
Yes.
Here, two different atoms
Yes.
or group of atoms displaces
Yes.
each other. Like I'll show you, like AB plus CD, which is going to displace into AC plus BD. Can you check here?
Yes.
What up here? AB and CD different atoms, right? Different group of atoms.
Yes.
They are replaced. I mean, they are displaced, double displacement. I mean, A and C combination and BD combination.
Yes.
So these are the set of chemical reaction we discuss in this chapter.
Yes.
So you have any doubt, you can please clarify.
Yes.
So based on this, we can go for different things.
Yes.
So no doubt,
No.
will you make a note?
Yes.
Yeah, please write down. If you have any doubt, please most welcome. You can clarify the doubt. I hope the
Yes.
concepts are clearing, Rishabh. I am clearing the concepts.
Yes.
Yeah, and one thing, Rishabh. I want your one photo. Please share it to WhatsApp
Yes.
after the class.
Yes.
Yeah, please write down.
Casual photos.
Anything. It should look bright. That's it.
Yeah.
Better to give passport photo. Better way.
Yes.
Yeah, please.
Next please. Next please.
Yeah. So next we'll go with this one, right? Chemical types of chemical reaction are taken.
Yes.
And this is I can call it as a new word you. It is a mind map.
Yes. So most side.
This side.
Yes.
Good.
Sir down. Sir. Sir down. Sir. Next.
Done for everything done?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. So now, so can I go for chemical balancing, equation balance?
Yes.
Okay. So let us take chemical reaction. I'll take simple reaction. That is Fe, iron reacts with the water. It form into Fe3O4 plus H2. Got it? Rishabh?
Yes.
Yeah. So this equation. This is called reactants. Reactants. This is called products.
Product.
Correct? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll call this as LHS, and this is called RHS. Correct?
Yes.
So now simple. I'll make a two table. I just take a partition. I'll write. I have Fe here, hydrogen, oxygen. Correct? Rishabh, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah. Now first discuss. How many iron atoms available towards your LHS? Yeah. First listen to me. I'll give time for your write up.
Yes.
Tell me how many Fe atoms available towards your LHS? Yes, Rishabh, please.
Sir, one.
One. Very good. Once again. One. Okay. Towards your again H. How many hydrogen atoms?
Two.
Two. Oxygen.
One.
One. Come this side. Towards this side. Towards the RHS. How many iron?
Three.
Three. How many oxygen? So hydrogen.
Four.
Hydrogen. Hydrogen.
Hydrogen two. Two.
Hydrogen. Hydrogen two. Oxygen four. Correct.
Yes.
So here check here. I have 1 to 1. I have 3 to 3 to 4. Correct.
Yes.
So let us discuss first. Iron here three atoms. Correct.
Yes.
Here how many? One. So I need to
Yeah.
multiply with the three.
Yes.
So these two are balanced. Iron balanced on both sides.
Yes.
Okay, done. Next. Next, come back to hydrogen. How many hydrogen you have? Two, two. Correct.
Two. Yes.
Yeah. And keep it as this. Come back to the oxygen. I have one oxygen and four oxygen this side. Correct. Here I have one. Here I have four. Am I right? I repeat. I have oxygen, one oxygen towards LHS and the reactants, and four in the where?
Mm. Four in LHS.
Okay. So now I multiply with the 4 here. So that means I'll write here. This is 3 Fe. Fe balanced.
Yes.
Now I'll write 4 here. What happened now?
Yes.
Yeah, 4 means 4H2, 4 oxygen, correct?
Yes.
Here also 4 oxygen
Yes.
balanced.
Yes.
Yeah, then what about hydrogen? How many hydrogen you have here?
Two. Two.
So again, it is 2 converted into 4. 4 2 ja, sorry, 4 to 8, right?
Yes.
How many have? I have 4 into 2, that is 8, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Again, come this side. How many hydrogen I have towards your RHS?
Two.
2. So I have to convert 2 into 4, 2 into 8. What should I do?
What's
I want to get two 2 should be multiplied with the 8. So which term I need to multiply? Which figure I need to multiply?
2 4s are.
Yeah, here are 8, right? So I need to multiply 4. So I'll get 8. That is, I'll write
Yes.
4.
Yes.
Now check I have here 3, 8, 4. Again this side 3, 8, 4. Correct?
Yes.
Equation balanced.
Yes.
Did you got?
Yes.
One thing, Rishabh, I'm not following textbook method. To be frank,
Yes.
I'm clearly saying
Yes.
I'm not following textbook method.
Yes.
So ultimately, in the examination, they want balance equation.
Yes.
So if you written like this, they'll give full marks.
Yes.
So then there is no right. There is no what you call protocol to follow. Go to the same step which you mentioned in textbook. You can go for any method. Ultimately, they require answer.
Yes.
And in CBSE board, they'll allot full marks for new skills, new ideas which you are presenting on your paper.
Yes.
They really appreciate your new methods.
Yes.
So any doubt here, you can clarify.
No.
No doubt.
Yes.
Write down, please.
Contains.
Okay. So now I'll take simple numerical, simple equation. You just balance
Yes.
Mg plus O2. Oh, okay. Please balance equation.
Yes.
Magnesium plus reacts with oxygen is oxidation reaction. It is an oxidation reaction.
Yes. Sir, 2 mg plus O2 is equal to 2 mg.
Okay, very good. So let me check. I have Mg and O, Mg and O. Okay. So now this side have 1 Mg and 2 oxygen and 1 1. So Mg already balanced. So oxygen had 2 here. So let us multiply that 2. So we become 2. Okay, here 2 oxygen done. But what about Mg? Have 1. So multiply the 2. Here also 2. So become 2, 2, 2, 2 balanced. Is it correct?
Yes.
Rishabh? Is it correct,
Yes.
pa? Can you go for next one?
Yes. Hmm?
So next equation, let us take next equation here. Mm, something I should take different one. Yeah, Rishabh. I'll write here. Just try this.
Yes.
CH4 plus O2, it becomes CO2 plus H2O. Methane, which reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide plus water. So kindly balance
Yes.
this kind of methane plus oxygen to form carbon dioxide plus water.
Sir, 2CH4 plus O2 gives to 2CO2 plus 4H2.
4H2. You repeat, just repeat, please. Repeat. Yeah, repeat, please.
2CH4 plus O2,
Okay.
2CO2 plus 4H2.
4H2. Okay. Let us check. Hmm, yeah. So carbon, I'll take previous equation. That is, I have 1, hydrogen 4, oxygen 2. Correct? Here 1, 2, 3. Am I right, pa?
Yes.
Yeah. So carbon balanced. Hydrogen have 4 and 2. Let us multiply with 2. It become 8. So here also That multiplied by 4, it becomes 8. So that's why 4 2s are 8. So this is done. And here also balanced hydrogen. But if balance hydrogen, obviously carbon is going to change. So I have 2 carbon here, becomes 2. And here, yeah, how many have? Yeah, I have to multiply the 2. So become 2. So carbon balanced. So thing left with the oxygen. So how many oxygen? 2 I have. Here check. 2 2 ja 4. 4 plus 4, 8. How many also here? I have 8. So mm, 2 oxygen. 4 plus 4, 8. So need to do some special care here. Mhm. Here I have, which is replaced with the naku into. So have 8. Here I need to get 8. So 2 into 4, I'll get 8. 2. Rishabh, check here. Rishabh,
Yes.
yeah, check here. I have check 2 2 double 8. 2 double 8. Balanced. The
Yes.
number order. Carbon 2, hydrogen 2, oxygen 8. Again 2 2 8 8 and 8 8. So I think this is a correct equation. Am I right?
Yes.
So you missed 2. 2 O2 you
Yes.
missed.
Yes.
So be careful while balancing. So any doubt in today class?
No.
Sure, you got I think balancing. How to do balancing?
Yes.
Any doubt? Please kindly ask. Let us take some homework for balancing. HNO3
Yes.
plus calcium hydrox. Calcium barium chloride with a sulfuric acid. It becomes barium sulfate plus hydrochloride. Will you please balance these equations?
Yes.
Yeah, any doubt in this chapter you can clarify.
No.
Take this to homework. Yes, Sushil, any more doubt today class?
No.
Sure.
Yes.
Taken homework?
Yes. Okay.
Taken?
Yes.
Okay. So I hope no doubt in today class.
No.
Yes, fine. Any doubt in today class?
No.
So please go through homework. That tomorrow
Yes.
class we could go for a revision of mathematics.
Yes. About that
Please.
question paper. Sample question.
So your voice is breaking. Will repeat, please repeat.
Sample question paper.
One second, one second. Yeah, louder.
Sample question paper solve.
Yeah, sample question paper we discuss.
Yes.
Okay, so we discuss that sample question paper tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. So just forward me that question paper, sample question paper.
Yes.
Okay. And okay, I request your friends, anyone interested to join, so let them join. Yeah.
Yes.
Kindly inquire with your friends. At least any 5 to 6 members enough. We can start.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Pa. Thank you. Good night. Take care.
Bye.